Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on notification on app icons in Samsung S22. So, where to look for notifications options? We are going to settings, then notifications, and in advanced settings at the bottom we have app icon badges. We need to turn it on. We can of course choose number or a dot style, and we are interested in this one, this option later here. So to turn it on, we simply tap this option, and that's it. No need to save, just back out, and now our setting is saved. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.